Welcome to the Peak No-Dig Fencing System introduction video. Peak No-Dig Fencing is a durable, galvanised and powder-coated steel fencing system that installs in minutes, with no digging required, and is available exclusively at Bunnings Warehouse. Ideal for use around your property, install a beautiful fence to add curb appeal and protect your garden. So let's take a look at the Peak No-Dig fencing style options and components. There are two stylish designs to choose from: Sheffield and Manchester. For each style, fence panels are 915mm high and come in two widths, 1220mm and 870mm. Gates are one standard size, 915mm high and 850mm wide. Posts and spikes are universal and work with all fence panels and gates. Spikes come in two sizes, 250mm and 350mm. The 350mm spike adds stability and is recommended for ends, corners and with gates. The 250mm spike is recommended for all other post locations. To begin the installation process, first measure your area to determine the type and quantity of components you will need. Then, ensure you have all the tools and safety equipment for your project. Peak No-Dig Fencing is available exclusively at Bunnings Warehouse.